Hello students, today we are going to start a third class Moral Science chapter 6, that is the school my second home. So how nice it is to be at home. When we are with our parents, with our brothers, with our sisters, we are really happy. These days during lockdown we people are all are happy to stay at home. But I know that we people are missing our second home, that is school. That is our school, from where we get a knowledge, we play with our friends, we take a lot of enjoying in that place. So our second home is what? That is our school. So what is our second home? Second home is our school. So at the place of parents, in a school, at the place of parents, we have a teacher which give us knowledge, which take care for her, which take for us, and the students in our school are just like our brothers and sisters. So we try to respect our teachers. That how we respect our teachers. That is 5th of September, right? In the 5th of September we celebrate the Teachers' Day. Dr. Radhakrishnan have a birthday on that day, and he asked who are the first vice president and second president of India, right? Being a teacher, it is the one of the most challenging job, right? But we try to wish on that day so that teacher become a happy and he feel a respectful place. So we should respect our teacher because they give us a knowledge. So the teachers give a knowledge in these days. Teachers run online classes or make a video for you people. So what is that? So we should respect the teachers because they give us a knowledge. The best way to love our teacher is study well. So we must be work hard so that our teacher get happy. So next one is never forget to wish a teacher on her birthday. If we wish to teacher on her birthday, then teacher become a very happy. So it is just a token of respects which must be given to a teacher. I will tell you a story about one person, that is a Surdas and his teacher. So Surdas was intelligent person, right? He was a thirst of knowledge, but he was little short tempered, right? So which affected his study. One day teacher decided that I removed anger from him. So the teacher asked Surdas to chant the God name whilst 1 month, and after that he come to and then meet him. Surdas followed the teacher's instructions, and after 1 month he went to meet his teacher. When he is going to meet the teachers, one sweeper swept the street. So he put a dirt on his clothes, right? So what the Surdas get angry and asked her, what are you doing, right? So then he again went home and changed the clothes and then go meet to the teacher. But teachers know every situation, so he asked the Surdas to go back home and chant one more month to God name, right? Now the Surdas feeling sad and he go to home. But again after 1 month he again comes to meet a teacher, and same happening was occurring, that one sweeper swept the street and put a dirt on him. Now what happened? He again angry that what are you doing and why you have to put a dirt on me. So these things, right? So again he meet a teacher. Teacher again said that you go back home and again chant 1 month more God's name and then meet him. And when he come a third time, again happening occurred, right? Same sweeper put a dirt on him, and he said that same incident happened for third time. However, he did not get anger at that time. He thanked the sweeper for helping him to overcome the anger. This time the teacher accepted him as a discipline and tried to give educations, right? So be patient, and teacher is that person who remove our all doubts, right? So students, there are a project sheet in your book which is due as a homework. So try to complete this project sheet. Thank you and have a nice day.